Hello friends, Running Kimono. We have a curbside video for the week of March the 20th. Curbside is basically you order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, and then you drive to the store and pick it up at the photo counter or they bring it to your car. Definitely, if you're doing something with IBOTTA or one of the apps, you got to go to the photo counter to get a receipt and hopefully just hoping that your store prints them because I know that some stores it's a bit of a headache. Before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Somebody had a birthday recently and she chewed her little hat that I made for her. So in celebration of Daisy, please give this video a thumbs up. I would be so grateful. Now alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to go into the store and see tactile things, I made a video yesterday and I did pretty well and I showed deals at the beginning of it, just any day sort of deals. There was an issue where the boosters were not stacking, but as the day progressed, there was some sort of reset on Walgreens.com and it was really hard to get on the website and do this and that. And digital coupons were also not attaching at one part in the afternoon of Sunday. So just be mindful of that. If you have issues, maybe do some of these deals later in the day. Now, the Axe deal that I did, I got my 700 kicks from Shopkicks, so that's like $2.80. So even without fetch, it still makes it like a little money maker to grab 2 of those dry sprays. Visit yesterday's video for the full breakdown on it, but it's a splendid deal for some free dry spray. Okay, deal number 1, we are going to really go crazy with this one. We're going to grab 8 boxes of Cheez-Its. Now, as most stores don't carry 8 of the same one, you might have to mix and match, but they're on this buy one, get one free promotion. So for 2 boxes, it's actually going to be $3, which is a killer price point. There's this digital coupon, $1 off 2, plus on coupons.com, we have the same rebate as well. So putting 8 of them into a cart, that's $12 on the nose, free curbside pickup, no tax because this is food. Subtracting that $1, I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $1, get your receipt, and make that submission to the coupons.com app and call this a very terrific deal, especially if you have a lot of young ones. They really love Cheez-Its. I know my nieces love them. So this might be a superb deal to load up on these little cheese crackers. Deal number 2, and don't faint guys because these prices of these products have really jumped. We have a Nexus shampoo for $17.99 and then a hairspray for $15.99. Hairspray used to be $13.99 and that shampoo I think was like $14.99, so it's gotten expensive. We have the following digital coupons to load. That's this $6 off, and I think in store it's like add an extra $3 to both of these products, so ugh. And then we also have this $5, so that's $11 in digital coupons. Load both of them. Okay, guys, so $33.98 free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $11 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay that $25.02. As this is a spend offer, you have to use your debit card for the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash, and then you're going to get $10 back. Make a submission to the Fetch Rewards app. You're going to get back 10,000 points for spending 30 at Walgreens on Unilever products. Monday the 20th is the final day for this deal, but that's $10 back. I think you're going to reach it with the purchase of this Nexus. Alternatively, if you're a couple dollars short, just go and do that Axe deal when you're in store, and boom, you're going to get 10,000 points back from the Fetch Rewards app. Okay, deal number 3. We are going to grab these like sugar free, it's like for diabetics or keto dieters. It's a new candy over at Walgreens, so they're 2 for $5, and we have this digital coupon which is $1 off 2. So somebody who's really watching their sugar intake, this might be a nice thing for Easter, maybe. And then we're also going to throw in this Airwick kit for $10.99. Look guys, it's $18.99 on a non-sales week, so it went from $17 to $18.99 in a matter of a week. So yeah, marvel at that for a sec. Load this digital coupon, which is a $5 off. And I'm just pointing that out because I think that's just astronomical. Like $19 for that kit. Wow. So a kit and the candy, 2 of those candies. And they have a whole bunch of different ones. They have this like faux Swedish fish. And then they also have like the little peach slices. They have a whole bunch of different ones for this line. So looking at the overall summary for $15.99, if curbside pickup is free, we have a little bit of tax, $6 in digitals coming off for a new total of $10.65. I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and call this a really good deal for an Airwick and 2 bags of sugar-free candies. Deal number 4, we're going to grab 2 of these CeraVe. They are a travel size foaming cleanser for $9, 2 for $9. And we have this 6 off of 2 that is attaching to those products. So definitely scroll to the bottom to try and find these. Touch the coupon, scroll to the bottom. And then we're going to also get one of the Reese candy bars and load the $1 digital and the $1.25. Hopefully you still have the same ones as I. Throwing 1 candy bar and then 2 of those makeup removers by CeraVe. You have reached your $10 mark. Curbside orders have to be $10 plus for them to fulfill the order. So $10.79, subtracting that 50-cent Reese's IBC, free curbside pickup, and $7.25 melting off right there. You're going to pay $3.58, which I think is a really good deal, especially if you wanted to try out those CeraVe makeup removers. Okay, deal number 5. Now, this first one, we're going to look at this coupon, which is a 10 off. We have this product for $19.99, so it's like a jar of face moisturizer. So a new product by Covergirl. Makeup's also on a promotion of buy 2, get the 3rd for free, but at $19.99, it's a bit too rich. So just throwing 1 of these in a basket for $19.99, free curbside pickup, tax, $10 melting off. So the total is $11.19. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.19. And just like if you've ever wanted to try this lotion, you know, maybe it's a good deal, maybe it's not. You make the choice. Okay, deal number 6. So this is an interesting coupon. We have $3.50 off of a Dollar Shave Club product. Now, there's a product that isn't sold in smaller rural Walgreens, but if you live in a bigger city, I'm sure you'll be able to track this down. It is their wipes for men. So $3.99, subtracting that $3.50 coupon, it's 49 cents. This is a much smarter item to grab. Sometimes you have to get creative when you can't get exactly what you think you can get. So this shave cream is $5.99 and that $3.50 digital is in fact attaching. Photographed this also to the Fetch Rewards app. You might get a couple points back. Dollar Shave Club is one of their partners. We're also going to grab one of these Bic razors for $4.99. Now we're going to load this friend, which is a $3 off, a very generous coupon. Looking at the basket is $10.98, free curbside pickup, 66 cents tax, $6.50 coming off for us, $5.14. Make sure to get a receipt for this transaction because IBOTTA is giving back $1. I think with IBOTTA too, you can link your Walgreens account with your IBOTTA account. So do either one if you can't get a receipt to get your $1 back because this is really fantastic. There's nothing better than $1 back for a razor. So that is a really nice deal. Okay, I believe the last deal that we're going to look at is deal number 7. For this one, we're going to grab 2 Shea Moisture bar soaps. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. Load your 6 off of 2 digital coupon. Looking at the basket for 2 bars, it's $10.48. Free curbside pickup, 63 cents, $6 melting off. Pay $5.11 and then photograph your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You might get some extra points for this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.